Hello, you're here in this new tutorial which will be for a clicker game. What is a clicker game? It's that you click on a sprite and you have a score. We're gonna make a simple one. Don't worry, we're gonna make it as simple and as fun as possible. How to make a clicker game tutorial. You're good. And anyways, let's continue with our cat called Wirt. Good. Wirt here is gonna be our clicker. We're gonna do when green flag clicked forever. Go to random position or glide. You choose. I'm gonna do with glide. It's more like smooth, but of course I want it a little faster, so I'm gonna choose 3.5. You choose what you want, and I'm gonna put for it to be a little slower, maybe 1.5 instead, I think. Let's try it out. But this is just the first parts of the clicker game project, right? When this sprite is clicked, place meow. And of course, how did I get the backdrop one? Better not start sound but play until done. Too much meows, in my opinion. You choose. And when each time it's clicked, in my opinion, it should always, and I mean it, always go to random position if it's clicked. How did it go? This block, I said go to random position. Here it is. And let's see. And hello, fellow scratchers. This project is turning out perfect. But what does this need? A little color effect. Set color effect to 0. And change color effect by 25. And over here also. And it's changing its color. It's getting its boost. Good. But what do we need here? We need a variable. We always need variables for clicker games, or then it wouldn't be a clicker game. Nah, I don't want a variable called my variable. I'm gonna delete it. We don't want any bad type of variable name. We need it for all sprites because we need it to be shown and everything, of course. But first, let's save our project. And now let's begin our variable. Okay. I'm gonna call it score. But make sure the variable's name is very good. Because if you don't make a good variable name, it won't make any sense. I say score is a good one. So yeah. You choose what you want, but I shall choose a variable. We need the variable score to be shown over here. Now, when touched, change score by 1, but Don't forget to set it to 0. And don't forget to not use the set one to change it, because that will just set it and won't change it. Okay, the score is changing. The cat is moving. I think we should make it the project a little faster. Let's activate turbo mode. Okay, turbo mode made it a little glitchy. That sometimes happens. Once happened to me when trying to make one of these projects. But, of course, now it's really quick. I'm just getting... Now, if you want more of them, more of specifically more of the sprite and more of the clickers, like word here, don't duplicate the sprite. I said don't duplicate the sprite. Why? Because there's a super cool form to do it instead. It's with this magical block. If you want it, create a clone of myself. And we have the clone. It has a clone, but it's just not doing anything, so let's just duplicate this. But, of course, in the last second, create a clone of myself. Wait 3 seconds in my opinion, and delete this clone. And all the cats. Okay, looks like a glitch happened. Yep, the clone, it would always, yeah. Wait 3 seconds, delete this clone. We're getting more clones. Ooh! Make sure to like and subscribe to this channel, and make sure to tell me your ideas in the comments below. Just remember, don't leave yet. We're just gonna have to share it. If you don't want for me to share it in this thumbnail, or for you to share the Clicker Game project in this thumbnail, then set thumbnail, pause it, and now share it. And if you like this thumbnail, for example, proceed with share and look at that. And if you don't know what a studio is, or you want to have one, then make sure to look at my studio's tutorial video. I have made it for you. But that's just I'll just add it to my studios. I have like 30 studios. Not exactly. I'm gonna tell you how many studios I have. I have a pretty large amount of them. Well, bye.